Okay everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and today we're going to do a video on smoke detectors. I found this out the other day. Smoke detectors have an expiration date on them. I had no clue. Okay, this one right here was made in October 11th, 2002. Okay, so it doesn't have an expiration date on it. Okay, here's the new one. The new one comes with a manufactured date. Then it also says replace in 10 years. Okay? So what happens, I found out that the sensors go bad in them. Ours was acting sporadic. It was if they'd start beeping, then we'd change the battery and then it would come back to life again. Then we would start beeping again. Then I come home the other day and everyone in the house was beeping. They was going in every room periodically. So I just took them all down and went in doing research and found out that they have an expiration date on it. They're only good for 10 years. Well, we got an extra 7 out of ours. But so make sure you check your smoke detectors, see how old they are, because they will fail, because ours did, and we don't want them failing when you really need them the most. So check your smoke detector, replace it if it's 10 years old, and I know it sounds like crazy, but they're not that expensive. They're like $8-10 a piece. So just replace them, and they have an expiration date. If you have any questions, email me at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.